And then finally, you've got uploads. So the best thing about Canva is that you don't actually need to use all the images that already exist in your stock photos. If you did a search for them, for instance, you can actually upload your own images. So you can either create customized graphics by clicking the upload button here and actually clicking on the upload your own images. And in this case, for instance, we've got the Dough Pizza Shop. So you all should have the Dough Pizza Shop photography folder available to you right now. And so what we want to do then, essentially, is say if we want to upload this photo of kneading dough. So we'd click on that, and you can see on the left-hand side the blue wave and the green slider showing you that it's slowly uploading. So that's one way you can actually upload images on your drive or on your desktop. Alternatively, you can purchase some images, as we already saw. So images or illustrations, you can purchase these on Canva. And then finally, you can actually import any images that you may have on Facebook also onto your canvas. So this directly connects to your Facebook account, and you can then start to include images there.